So this is a quick guide to how to do the dead bug. So if you have a weak lower abs or back pain. So you need to lay down on the floor and keep your lower back flat against the ground the entire time. And if you have really weak lower abs, you might not feel a pressure at all. So you can take one of the hands and put it under your lower back. And if the situation is really fucking bad, you can use two hands. So you take both of your hands under your lower back and flex your core muscles. And you should feel a pressure building up against your hands. And just stay there and try to find that pressure. Flex your core muscles. Pressure, pressure, pressure. And if you feel the pressure, you can slowly start to raise one leg. Keep the pressure at all time. Pressure, pressure, pressure. And go down. And the next leg. Keep the pressure. Keep the pressure. Up, down. Pressure, pressure. Next leg up. Pressure, pressure. Take the leg down. Next leg. Keep the pressure. And down. And the next step, you can remove the hands if you feel the pressure without the hands. So pressure, up, pressure, down, pressure, up, pressure, down, pressure, up, pressure, down. You can also take two fingers and push them into your stomach, under your belly button to the side of the hip. And do this drill again. You can keep one hand under your lower back, two fingers into your stomach. And raise the legs again. And pressure. Flex the core, feel the pressure and up. The pressure is the most important thing here. If there's no pressure, there's no point in doing this. There needs to be a pressure at all times against the floor. Hard pressure. Hard pressure. Alright, so let's say you got all this under control now. We're gonna move on to the final step. Not the final step, but the dead bug step. So rest for a bit, lay down, just breathe. Relax. And then flex your core, feel the pressure against the floor. Feel the pressure. Take your legs up, arms up. And the left arm down, right leg down, up and down. So the opposite arm to the leg. And pressure at all times. So I think I lost the pressure there. So when you lose the pressure, just stop whatever you're doing and rest. Reset. Flex your core. Legs up. Feel the pressure. Arms up and go again. Pressure, 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 pressure. If you lose the pressure, just reset and rest for a bit. This is hard. This is hard. If you keep the pressure all the time, this exercise is really hard. So another variation you can do is if you have a kettlebell or whatever, some weight, some backpack or whatever. You can raise it up above your chest. This will help you. This helps, at least me. It helps me feel the pressure against the floor. And you do the dead bug again. Pressure. Pressure. So when I do this with a kettlebell, I feel much more pressure because the weight is pushing me down to the floor. Alright. And that's it. That's the dead bug. Try it. And don't forget the fucking pressure. Here's my explanation. You can pause the video here if you want to read it. But remember the pressure. Pressure, 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 pressure. Alright? Now fuck